अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वेलकम बैक टू मलंग लोग। और उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे और अच्छी सेहत में होंगे और हमारे व्लॉग्स को खूब इंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। और जैसा कि आपने देखा है कि बिलाल ने अभी जो है ना वो पोटैटोज बैग में जैसा कि हमने उनको लगाया हुआ था, ग्रो कर रहे थे, तो नाउ इट्स टाइम टू हार्वेस्ट देम। और आए मिल के देखते हैं कि कितने पोटैटोज हुए हैं। और कीप ट्यून्ड विद अस और देखें कि इंशाल्लाह ताला विल बी मेकिंग समथिंग विद पोटैटोज इंशाल्लाह। आज मेरा प्लान है, जैसे कि वेदर ही बहुत ही अच्छा है, बरसात का वेदर है, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना इन पोटैटोज का इस्तेमाल किया जाए और चटपटे से पकोड़े बनाए जाएं और महल्ले में बांटेंगे फिर इंशाल्लाह ताला। तो हमें वॉच करते रहें। तो चलें फिर पोटैटोज को हार्वेस्ट करते हैं।
अलीजा and मीरा बहुत ईगर थी पोटैटोज हार्वेस्ट करने के लिए। They've been waiting for this. Are you ready, Lisa, Mira?
Yeah!
Let's go. So Lisa, Mira, let's see guys के how many potatoes we can find. Inshallah उम्मीद तो है कि we get quite a few. So let's start. And Lisa, Mira, गिनती करनी है. Let's start counting.
ठीक है।
Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lisa, Mira, come and get the potatoes out. You need to rummage through the soil, yes?
Yep. Let's see.
Keep passing them to me.
I found one.
Yeah. Bismillah.
I found one. I found one.
Well done. So we've got
Okay.
2 potatoes
No,
there.
there's a one there one.
Okay, there we go. We've got some little small spots.
Look
there.
at this one, guys. So
Yes.
small. I found one.
Well
It's
done.
a baby one.
That one's off.
There you go, Daddy.
Thank you, Lisa. Last little bit to go through, girls. Let's have a look. You got one?
I got
Oh,
one.
we got one here.
Oh, God.
Oh, well done. Put them in the basket. I'm gonna empty another 2 bags. Yes. Let's see how many potatoes we get all in all. Second bag, guys. Right, Lisa, Mira, let's all go all dirty. Yes?
Yeah.
Come on. Right. Come on, guys.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go. You got one there. Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going. There's another. That's a big one, guys.
Yeah, guys, look
That's
at this
pretty
one too.
big. Well done, Mira. Keep putting it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, there's one here. There we go. There's another one. Yes. Come on, guys. Let's see this. Oh, yes. Well done, Mira.
Guys, look at this so big
Let
one.
me just go through them thoroughly. We might miss a few. Oh, yeah. See, we're missing. You don't want to miss a few.
Yeah,
Okay.
then we will have.
Oh, there's one there. There we go.
I found a little one, guys.
Yeah. Okay. You got a baby one, Lisa. Keep going through. Come on, Lisa. Push it. Put your hands. Get your hands dirty, Lisa. Mira. Lisa, properly.
I'm just
Yes.
confused where they are.
You. Look, that's very small, Mira. That one. There's one. Here we go.
I found one.
There's one there.
I found a big one.
Okay. Why don't you show the guys the basket how much we're filling up now? We're getting a few potatoes now, guys. It's filling up slowly but surely. Yes.
Ow.
You got any more coming out, Lisa, Mira?
Found
You
one.
found one? Oh, well done, Mira. There's another one. Well done.
Guys, look at this little one here. It's really cool.
There's some small little. Oh, we got some more small ones here.
Yeah,
Very
we've got loads of
small, tiny
small
ones.
ones as
Yeah.
well. So,
Let's see if we can get
that
any
was
more.
a bit.
Yeah.
I found
Keep going, Mira. Nope, we got another one there. There's one, guys.
one. I got one.
You got one. Well done.
Look at this big one, guys.
Yeah. There
Really
you go.
cool.
Well done. Come on, girls.
I got one.
Let's finish these last 2 bags.
Guys, look.
Well done. Okay.
Look. Ah,
I
People
can tell Lisa and Mira are really enjoying
look.
this.
I got one too.
Huh? Oh, there's one
you
there. There you
nearly
go.
skipped it.
Yeah. We don't want to miss any, guys.
Yeah.
Keep
Oh, there's
going
a
through
little
it
one.
thoroughly.
Guys, I got a very
Good,
little
good.
one. I found one.
Yeah. Any more? No, I think that's it, guys.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's go to the other ones now.
What we'll do now is, guys, we'll finish all the bags off.
Look, I found.
Only a small one. Okay, we'll finish all the bags and then we'll count them all up. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Allah, this is so much fun, guys.
Uh-huh. harvesting your own potatoes is a lot of fun. Yes.
Yes. And Eliza, would you grow them again?
Yeah.
डेफिनेटली बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे तो खुद देख के इतना मज़ा आ रहा है यकीन नहीं आ रहा कि अल्लाह इतने ज़्यादा पोटैटोज़ हमारे गार्डन में हमारे वो जो पोटैटोज़ बैग में ग्रो हुए हैं माशाल्लाह ज़बरदस्त
Let's finish off. Oh wow, guys, we reached the whole basket. Any more?
I don't think one.
Let's have a look. Is there any more here?
Look, I
Let's
found
see
it
what
all
we're done.
again.
Yes?
Yeah, no.
We're done, guys. Right, guys, we've got a full basket of potatoes.
ज़बरदस्त फिलहाल इतने ज़्यादा पोटैटोज़ हो गए हैं मुझे तो खुद बिलीव नहीं हो रहा चले और आप जो है ना वो पोटैटोज़ नीचे सबको बताएं कि
Let's
कितने
count them,
पोटैटोज़
yes.
हुए हैं
Yep.
एंड बिलाल आपको याद है कि गिनती चैलेंज किया था
Seriously?
यस और उर्दू में गिनती करके दिखानी है जो आपने कहा था कि नेक्स्ट टाइम 100 तक गिनूंगा
Oh.
यस
No,
और आप पोटैटोज़ को अब आपने गिनना है पोटैटोज़ को कितने आपके आलू हैं
Now I hope there's only 30 or 20 potatoes.
बट दे लुक मोर देन दैट
Let's go, guys. Yes. Lisa, Mira, let's put them all out, and then we'll count them up. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's some
The
friends.
really, really small ones we won't count. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, right. Let's go. Ready?
चलें जी गिनती शुरू हो
I'll
जाए
start off
बिलाल
with you guys.
The basket.
Lisa, Mira. One, एक, yeah, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, दस, ग्यारह, बारह, तेरह, चौदह, पंद्रह, सोलह, सत्रह, अठारह, 19, 20, 21, 22,
अच्छा ठीक है 21 22 आगे
23,
यस
24, 25,
यस
26,
I just
Yes.
24 के बाद 27,
यस
28,
यस 28 के बाद
28 के बाद, right, I know, yeah, 29,
नहीं 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 उर्दू में बिलाल उर्दू में नहीं ये चीटिंग हो गई ये बिल्कुल चीटिंग है नहीं तो इस दफा गाइस नहीं ये बिल्कुल चीटिंग है
39, 40,
देखिए बात सुने
42, 43,
हाँ
44, 45, 46, 47, 48,
ये बिल्कुल चीटिंग हो रही है गाइस ये देख ले बिलाल को गिनती बिल्कुल नहीं आती अपना चैलेंज आप फेल हो चुके हैं मान जाएंगे आप चैलेंज हार चुके हैं गिनती वाला
57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79,
गिनती आपको
80,
फिर भी ना आई
81.
उर्दू में
Right, we got roughly about 81 potatoes. Yeah! Okay? The
what about
rest
this
are all little small ones, so we won't count them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Little baby.
Should we count this one?
You can do. But roughly about 80 to 90, we'll say. Yes?
Okay.
Potatoes. Right.
तो बिलाल ये बताएं कि गिनती चैलेंज किधर गया फिर आपका
वही
वो
one
बीच
the
में रह गया
challenge. Yeah.
इस दफा मुश्किल से बिलाल आप 28 तक पहुंचे हैं तो आपने वादा किया था कि 100 तक गिनती होगी आपकी लेकिन जान मैंने भी नहीं छोड़नी आपकी
Next time.
Oh, that's very good. What? I dropped the potato.
Now watch us in part 2 where Sana's going to prepare some pakode for all the neighbors and everybody. Alright Sana, I'm coming.